Welcome to the tutorial EcoStruxure Power to discover how to configure the data concentrator COMX to recover all the data of the devices installed on the smart panel. Now, to load a OFST custom model creation, go to Custom Library tab and then click on Contactor. Change the model name and select the default value usage and click on Create. On the option value for 0, change it to Open, and value for 1, change it to Close, and click on Save Changes. When the process is finished, click on Contactor and then on Create. On the option Create Model, change it to the one we've just created. On the Model Name option, change it to 2 and SD status and save. Change the value of signal element for trip status and value for 0 to tripped, and value for 1 to not tripped, and save. Now go back to Device Settings and click on SL1. On Device, change it to the custom mode we made. Change the name to the one desired and write down the useful details. When you're finished, click on Create. On Device option, click on Create a new one and select the second one we created before and repeat the process. Click on Create when you're done. Go back to the Settings tab and click on Event Settings. Click on the option Custom Events Enabled Yes and click on Save Changes. Now click on Custom Events and click on New Custom Event. Type in the event name, in our case, Power Socket UPS of State. Then click on the event types. This window will pop up. Change the severity to Low Alert. Click on Event Conditions. Drag the first one on the When space. Select the power socket and the status output. And equal 1. Then click on Actions and drag it below Do and type Close. Click on Save Changes. Now repeat the same process for the power socket trip status. Now, go to Maintenance and check everything we created is fine and reflected on this section. We remind you that you've available all tutorials for every configuration stage of the Smart Panel and Facility Expert. For more details, you can download the configuration guide, EcoStruxure Power.